We woke up to another cool and rainy autumn morning here in Minnesota. The weather is a little bit dreary, but it feels perfect for the month of October. I added all of my Halloween lights and my spooky ghosts to my fall decor out in the front yard, and it just makes me so happy. It's staying dark longer into the mornings now too, so it still feels like nighttime when I get up and get the kids ready for school. Yesterday when we got home from school, it was so warm that my son left his jacket in the car, so this morning I had to go out and get it when I walked through the rain, and I just wanted to share the pretty sights with you guys. I got this adorable little set of cups from Walmart. I love them. There's such cute little ghost faces on them, and I've been experimenting with different pumpkin spice creamers lately that are dairy-free. I also bought some autumnal flavored syrups from Marshall's and this tasty pumpkin spice whipped cream from Walmart as well. I love to top my coffee with caramel and a little bit of pumpkin spice seasoning, and it just is the happiest way to start out my mornings in the fall. Hi, my name is Melissa and welcome to my channel. So today I want to do a little nature craft for Halloween. I'm really excited to try this one. I've been searching Pinterest and getting lots of ideas. I've done lots of nature crafts in the past also, which I will link below for you guys. I love being able to go outside and find items that are free to use, kind of combine them with other things that I might already have laying around the house. Sometimes I'll go buy stuff from like the Dollar Tree or Walmart, which I will share with you guys in a second here, where I got everything. Just going out in nature recharges me and it makes me feel so happy and so much better. Get off my phone, go outside, enjoy the weather. Especially here in Minnesota, it's getting cold really fast, so you guys are gonna notice here I'm like wearing a winter hat, and in the beginning of this video I'm wearing sandals and shorts, and within the same week I am in snow boots, and it's not snowy but it's cold enough. From like 90s to 30 basically in a week. So that is what we're dealing with here right now. So we're trying to get out there and enjoy the weather while we still can. I do want to do some more DIY nature craft videos, which I will share with you guys. Hopefully, if I have time to do them. I want to do some things with leaves and things like that as well. But I have a lot of other fun DIYs, and I'm gonna do like tours of my house, and I do lots of antiquing and stuff like that if you guys are new here. So definitely subscribe to my channel and like this video. It really helps out my channel, which is still kind of new. And thank you guys so much for watching, and let's just get right on to the nature video. Bought these little wood round, they're calling them coasters, at Walmart. This was like $4.44, so pretty much $1 a piece. I'm pretty sure that you can find these other places, Dollar Trees and craft stores and stuff like that. We have a ton of river rock in our yard. We've been doing our landscaping for, I don't know, the past however many years. You guys can check those videos out if you want on my channel. I've been sharing some of the stuff that we've been doing, but what I'm going to do is find some little tiny rocks that I can paint and glue to these, and it's going to be so much fun. A ghost shaped one, which I thought this was going to be perfect until I noticed it was not what I thought it was. So I need a pumpkin shaped one and a spider shaped one. Those are what I'm planning to do so far, but I do have 4. I was thinking I only had 3, so maybe I'll do 4. I'm not sure yet. I feel like this one could be promising for a ghost, but I wish it was a little bit taller of a ghost. The spider, I was hoping to find a very round shaped one, and I wanted to possibly do it with 2 different rocks. So this could also be promising if I did this for like the spider's butt and then a little head, and I'm going to do some legs and add moss on these as well. I'm hoping that I can use all things from nature except for the paint, of course. Gosh, you guys, I think I hit the ghosty jackpot. Do you see the shape of this rock? And it doesn't matter what color they are because they are going to be painted. Too excited about this for a second. This would have been the perfect spider butt, but it needed a flat side, and obviously I'm not going to use a golf ball, but it did trick me for a second. Then way in the back of our yard we have this other kind of beautiful blue, I don't remember what it's called, crushed rock. I'll ask my husband, but I found, I think, what I'm going to use as a pumpkin stem. Look at the shape of this. I think this is going to be so perfect. struggling to find a spider head because I wanted it to be kind of round, and I also wanted it to be like the size of the tip of my thumb possibly, so this could be promising, but I'm gonna keep looking. These are the final rocks that I chose to use, and this one is going to be my spider. I'm gonna put some legs on here in a bit, you guys will see that. This one is going to be my little ghosty. This one is going to be my pumpkin with a little pumpkin stem, and this one is going to be a gravestone. So let's get to painting. I'm just using this simple like 50-cent acrylic paint, and I want all of the backgrounds to be black, but I still want to leave an edge around it so you can see that it is a little wood slice because I like the naturey look of it, but I think the black background is really going to make it pop. Got all of these little pieces painted black, and I feel like I want to add some stain to the outside of the wood. I'm not sure, I might do that at the end, but I've got some other colors collected here, and now I'm going to paint the rocks. I came outside to look for some sticks for the spider legs, and I feel like these are going to be perfect. Look at the shape of these. Maybe these two. We'll grab them all and then we can break them to size. Done with this little nature craft. What do you guys think? I'm so happy with them. I'm actually like very surprised at how cute they turned out, and I love how 3D they are. I just think they were so fun to make, and it got me outside hunting for nature treasures. This would be such a fun thing to do with your kids. Also, just fun to do with anybody. So what one was your guys' favorite one? I can't decide. I kind of think it might be the ghost for me. I love the ghost one. But yeah, so I didn't put anything on the back, and I decided not to stain around the edge, which I think I would like them better. I might still do that at a later time, but for now, this is how they're gonna stay. I can just kind of set them on a shelf, or I might glue on some, what are they called? The little hook things. So you can hang them on the wall, because they'd be really cute, like stacked all four in a row on your wall. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Get your booties outside and go play in nature and go exploring and go hunting for stuff. Go pick up leaves, find some red leaves, some orange leaves, and make a craft. I'm really excited to try something new this year with leaves, so keep on watching. And if you want to share this video with your friends or anybody, that would be awesome. I'll also put some links below where I have done other like kid crafts, nature crafts, and things in the past, so you guys can watch those too if you want. But I really appreciate you being here. Thank you guys so much for watching and for visiting my channel and liking my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! Happy almost Halloween!